Hey folks, Alan Manick, the Hot Rod Hippie here, coming to you from SEMA 2019 yet again. I'm at the Sunex Tools booth. Let's check out what's new.
SEMA 2019 coverage is brought to you by the fine folks at Trick Tools, high-performance tools for fabricators, and home of the no-junk guarantee. SEMA coverage is also brought to you by the folks at Sunex Tools, high-quality hand tools, shop equipment, and tool storage options at affordable prices. Links in the description down below.
Sunex is releasing a few new things this year. The Pinup series of toolboxes, tool carts, and refrigerators has been quite popular for them. It's a great way to customize your shop with a little different style, a different look. The classic Pinup style really fits in the classic auto restoration or the modern mechanic shop. They got the new Betty Blonde design over there. It's a purple box. I kind of like that color, honestly. It's a stark difference. Something stands out in the shop space. And the new Pinup design is just unique. And a lot of folks are really turning their head at that one. They also have the camouflage line, another way to show your unique style with your tool storage options. And my personal favorite, the Death Valley design. I like the color of the box, and the artist who made it is just a cool guy, and his artwork is fantastic. That is David Lozo. He was here painting right here on premises just the other day. They are updating their wrench design as well. They're rolling those out as time goes on. They have some of them out there already. The new design applies more torque to fasteners, as undercut corner design and V's in the jaws that allow it to grip onto that fastener a heck of a lot better and apply more torque and save you some busted knuckles. The new Sunex wrenches are a stronger material design to go ahead and prevent head flex. I'm really interested in that because I've been daily driving Sunex wrenches for some months now, and honestly, I didn't have any problem with the previous design, so any improvements they make are just bonuses on top of that. And of course, they also have those LED rechargeable work lights that I have harped on about on my Instagram, and I did a full review you can check out here. I truly, really like those lights and use them on a daily basis. I recommend you check those out. Sunex makes a lot of really interesting stuff, and they're getting much bigger in the market. I highly recommend you check them out. And they're also just really nice people. Sunex helped to make my SEMA 2019 coverage possible, so I highly recommend you check them out. Check them out at the links in the description down below. Folks, that's gonna wrap it up for this video. I hope you found it interesting. Please go ahead and drop it a like. Let me know in the comments down below what you think of the new Betty toolbox design, Death Valley, my personal favorite, or anything else I've shown here in this video. Let me know what you're thinking in the comments down below. Go ahead and get subscribed to keep up to date with all the content. Thanks for coming around, folks.